Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your extreme weather outlook. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson. We're tracking Hurricane Irma, a Category 5 still as of Wednesday. And those winds, as of latest update, still at 185 miles per hour, one of the strongest hurricanes ever recorded in the Atlantic Basin. So we actually have 3 named storms right now in the Atlantic Basin. Keep in mind that September 10th is actually the peak of the Atlantic hurricane season, and we're also tracking some severe weather concerns in the eastern U.S. Here is the visible satellite from Irma on early Wednesday. You can see it moving through the Leeward Islands here, making its way towards the Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, and then eventually over to Hispaniola. These areas getting almost a direct landfall on these small islands. Again, some spots seeing a lot of devastation there overnight and early this morning, and a lot of damage yet to come with significant winds. So these are some of the strongest hurricanes ever recorded in the Atlantic Basin. You go back to 1980, and Allen had 190-mile-per-hour winds. Irma at 185, tied with Wilma, Gilbert, and Labor Day at their peak intensity in terms of winds. And here's a look at the model intensity forecast. You can see that it is likely to stay Category 5, maybe down to 4 as we take you into the next few days here. So a very dangerous hurricane. All the bright reds indicating the hurricane warnings that have been posted for the Virgin Islands, the Bahamas, actually under hurricane watches. Same for Cuba. The latest forecast track from the National Hurricane Center now suggesting maybe an easterly push in that overall trend. So that would take it up the east coast of Florida, and still some uncertainty as we head into that end of the weekend and early next week time period. But we're still tracking 2 other storms, with Jose well off to the east, and then Katia, a tropical storm there in the Bay of Campeche. So we'll keep you up to date. Lots going on.